I'm Martin Percival. I'm a solutions architect for Red Hat, and what a solutions architect does is to take our technologies and explain them to our customers and to our partners. And I work very much with the systems integrators in what they're doing, so I help them understand and to implement everything that we do. Kubernetes is what's known as an upstream project. It's driven by Google very much, but they contributed it to the Cloud Native Computing Foundation to look after it. Red Hat are the second largest contributor of code to that open source community. And so as a result, a lot of the innovations that come through in Kubernetes have come from Red Hat in the first place. What we do then is we take that code that's finally been accepted, we fix it, and we turn it into OpenShift, which is our enterprise version. We've seen a real explosion just in the last 2 or 3 months with a number of people that are announcing that they now support Kubernetes as a way forwards. And many of the players in that space had had previous offerings and were very adamant about the fact they would never move, but have seen that there is a huge move in the market at the moment towards the way that Kubernetes is being used. We're seeing also a lot of rhetoric about how each one of these new players will be the very best solution. And I suppose at Red Hat we like to think that we've been doing this for nearly 4 years now. So as a result, the kind of contributions we make has given us a good advantage and a good lead. And it was a terrific bet at the time as well to go with that. So clearly we'd like to welcome all those other players. Let's make the code better together. But we think that Kubernetes has really won the war in terms of the way that it controls containers and how they're used. The strangest thing about Kubernetes is that the very most exciting stuff that it does is probably also the most boring. It takes containers which have ultimate potential but really very little ability to deliver in the enterprise, and it turns those things into something that can be run at huge scale across the enterprise. And Kubernetes does that incredibly well. It makes the way that those containers work together something that is smooth, something that is reliable, and something which can be relied on by enterprises to run very large applications. And as we look at the IT industry and the way that it's being used to drive digital transformation, for example, in businesses, more and more companies are looking to ways to run a hybrid cloud across multiple environments, and something like using Kubernetes and containers really enables that digital transformation progress that they're making.